Canva for Campus is an exciting new product that empowers you to create and communicate in unparalleled visual ways, helping you collaborate seamlessly across Canva's full visual work suite, facilitating game-changing learning opportunities and ultimately setting students up for future success. Let's take a look at how easy it is to start so you can begin driving innovation in your classrooms and your campus. Hi, I'm Lindsay, a product manager here at Canva. I get to work with an amazing group of engineers and designers to bring experiences like this one to life. I'm so excited to show you around Canva for Campus. It might be your first time using Canva, or maybe you're a master, but during this short video, I'll give you a quick tour and explain how Canva for Campus can streamline your work, drive innovation and collaboration, and most importantly, encourage learning. The easiest way to understand Canva is just to dive right in. Let's create a presentation. This is one of the most common document types you'll use. Let's say it's a lecture presentation. Once you're signed in, you'll begin on Canva's homepage. Here, you can access your recent designs, your folders, and start your next project. This area holds all the different document types in Canva's work suite. Select Presentation, and you'll be offered a range of templates to help you start inspired, the fastest and most effective way to begin. Everything is customizable, so choose based on your need and the template will open in a new editor. This is your editing canvas. Here, you can click and drag elements to fit your presentation. Double-click on text and add your own. Change fonts here. And colors in this menu. Size can be adjusted here, or you can just click and drag this handle to make it larger or smaller. One question I get asked a lot is how to save your documents. Canva is automatically saving to the cloud, so you never have to worry about version control or disk space. Next time you log in, just go to your recent designs and your work will be waiting for you, just like you left it. And if safety is a concern, you don't need to worry. You can connect Canva to your SSO provider to control which users have access to your campus teams and content. On the left-hand side, you have a range of tabs that are worth exploring. I suggest people look at the Elements tab first. From graphics to photos and videos, to charts and tables, this really highlights the power of Canva and makes the content so much more visual, making the communication faster, more easily understood, and memorable. Thankfully, the library is gigantic, so it's sure to have what you need. Type what you are looking for into the search field and simply drag and drop your choice into your presentation. It's that easy. This area down here shows your pages. You can add new ones here, duplicate, or delete. As this is a presentation, you can also access your slide notes here. Perfect for writing your main talking points so you or the presenter don't miss a beat. And if you are creating this for students to view in their own time, choose Present and Record here so you can add a video of yourself, where you can personally talk through each slide. It's like you're right there with them, and you can do it all direct from Canva. No need to use other software or even another document type. Isn't that helpful? It's actually a great way to get super prepared for doing it live in person too. Okay, I could show a lot more things in the editor, but for now, let's focus on one of the things that really sets Canva apart and turns it into a positive change maker for your campus, the collaboration tools. It's so easy to collaborate with students and faculty. Let me show you how. Head up to the Share menu to get started. The easiest way to collaborate with students and faculty is to add them in here. You can choose whether to give them view-only, commenting, or complete edit access. After logging in with their own Canva accounts, they can view and edit the worksheet on any computer, phone, or tablet device, enabling you to work together at the same time from wherever you are. I personally love that you can see their cursors moving around. It stops you from working on the same thing and acts as a heat map for activity. If asynchronous is more your thing, leave comments and assign tasks by adding their name, like this. They will get a notification in Canva, as well as an email informing them that there is a comment assigned to them. It's a great way to share resources and share the load of creating them. I think an area I'm really excited about is the idea of collaborative learning. Because everyone can be in a document together, your students can use Canva to collaborate on large-scale group projects, in person or remotely, real-time or asynchronously. Let's take a look. Beginning in a presentation, I can convert one of these pages into a whiteboard so we can all brainstorm together. You have all the tools you would expect from Canva, but now with infinite space and up to 100 people in one whiteboard. Share the link and watch as they come in, creating a virtual classroom where you can collect your research, conceptualize and test assumptions as a group. Along with drag and drop templates designed to get a group thinking, commenting ability, infographics and reaction stickers, this document becomes the basis for a whole semester of learning. Section off areas and assign them to specific people so they can manage their individual areas. While they are all working there, I'm going to create some specific slides for the different members of this group. I'll assign Emma to finish off the thesis page. Matt can complete the evidence slide. And Nia can be in charge of bringing it all home with the conclusion. They will each be alerted via an email that I have assigned them a task. We know this works because it's how we collaborate at Canva. Everyone in one document, building knowledge and sharing information easily. And it's not just us. With 85% of the Fortune 500 on Canva, students and teaching staff will be using and mastering an established workplace tool, guaranteed to assist with the transition to employment and encourage cross-team partnerships. Let me show you one more thing: how students can use Docs to create a standout resume. Whether it's for an internship or a grad job, you can import in an existing resume or start with one of our templates. I don't need to explain what a doc is, do I? We've all used similar products before. The main difference here is you can design interactive visual documents supercharged with videos, images, graphics, timelines, charts, and graphs, with all the features we've already mentioned in Canva. Now, I've gone a little far here and made something that's probably not submittable on current applicant tracking systems, but check this button out here. With one click, I can turn this into a portfolio, add more visuals, a little more explanation. And with one more click, I can turn this into a free website, searchable and linkable to anyone on the web. Isn't that crazy? Talk about setting your students up for success. Imagine if you were a recruiter and you received a portfolio that looked like this. You would have to give them an interview. Okay, as you can imagine, there's a lot more to Canva, but hopefully from this little taster, you can see how empowering it could be for your campus. From leadership, marketing and comms teams, to teaching staff and students, we really believe Canva for Campus can help everyone create their best work and take it to the next level. For example, look at how easy it is for a marketing team to set up an email template that can be used and adapted by multiple faculties. Send this link out to people and they will be able to jump in and start customizing their own document, fitting it to their unique needs. And you can rest easy, knowing that the brand look and feel will be consistent. Thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see what you and your campus do with Canva for Campus.